Changing air cabin filter on a 2013 Sonic, and applies for the other ones this body style, but the new one unfortunately a little bit more difficult because you actually have to take out a couple of bolts. So this one, as I've showed in other videos, it's pretty simple. Just pull this little shock out, you press this one in and it just falls down. Voila. And then the filter is here, somewhere right here. Oh, that didn't sound right. We need some light. That's what we need. There you go. That's where our filter is at. These are things right here. Hold on. There you go. Accessible door. That's a little short. Actually, might need some pick. Oh, you guys have some tools. Once you pry this up, those little feet, as you can see, this basically lifts up. You need two hands, preferably for this job, and then you pull the filter out. This car belongs to my uncle. He doesn't know that the filter exists, and it's got 40,000 miles. And you can see, got all kinds of crap in here. Doesn't help that he smokes. Well, I ordered a new one. I'll have soon. So you obviously would see compartment, but at least you know how to take it out. You can buy it at your parts store, Napa, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, or Rock Auto, or other places online. You can get it cheap. Try to get one for like that with the carbon. You know, they're a little bit better, but this is usually from people that are allergic. Look at all this crap. Oof. So change your cabin filters.